Hey guys! Welcome back on my channel, Rosie here, and for today's video, we are going to do a Valentine's makeup tutorial right here. Yes sir! So, I hope you will love this look because I really loved it. Hindi lang siya pwedeng pang Valentine's, pwede mo rin pang lakad, kung go na go ka magpula ng labi. You could also do this outside and go to the mall or any event. So, I wanted to give you a quick look on what should you wear on Valentine's Day. I don't have any date on Valentine's Day because I don't have any relationship. I'm not committed to anyone. Yes. Since birth, I am single since birth, but I'm waiting for him. Please, uy, I'm still waiting for you. Wow. So, I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel so you can be part of the hashtag Rose Squad. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. At sana, magtuloy-tuloy kayo sa video at sa makeup tutorial. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, to start, we are going to just clean everything in my face. So, I don't have anything in my face right now. So, we are going to get this cotton pads and this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So, konti na lang to. So the next thing is we are going to fix our brows because brow is life and we have to make it more attractive. Syempre pag Valentine's Day kailangan medyo perfect para pag nakita ka ng jowa mo, ay, napaka-perfect ng girlfriend ko.
This is what we do, driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around till this.
Going to do is our eyeshadow. So, mamaya ako na gagawin yung aking foundation. Mag-jam na tayo with our eyeshadow. So, in our eyeshadow, bago tayo magsimula, I'm going to use a foundation to use it as my concealer. So, gagamitin natin tong L'Oreal True Match na foundation ko on the shade W3. Ayan. So, ito yung
feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
So, yan, nalagyan na natin siya ng concealer. Siset naman natin siya with this Maybelline Clear Smooth Pressed Powder. Ayan. Siset lang natin siya. So, ginawa ko na yung isang side na yan. Gagawin naman natin to. Papakita ko sa inyo. I'm going to use this Beauty Now and NYX. Then, the Everbilena Pink Palette. Yung shade na to, tsaka ito pala. Shade na to, tsaka ito. For our transition color. Light brown na ito. Ayan. The next thing is this shade.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you.
And then, ito ulit.
Dark months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive.
So, susunod natin gamitin is yung dark shade na to.
Turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night.
So, conceal muna natin yung mga ito. Lagyan tayo ng concealer dito sa may lid natin.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hand.
Itong eyeshadow na to, gamitin natin itong bronze. Tapos, ilagay natin siya doon sa buong lid.
Are we on again? Just you and I.
Tapos, kuhanin natin tong shade na to, mga katabi. Tapos, ilagay din natin siya sa gitna na lang.
You know I'm complying. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are, this is what we do.
So, balik tayo sa palette na to. Gamitin natin yung dark brown. Tapos, ilagay natin dito sa dulo mo.
I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you.
So, yan. Nakapag-eyeliner na ako. This is the final eyeshadow look. And we are going to jump with the foundation that I really love. So, we're just going to prime our face. Kailangan ma-prime nyo yung face nyo bago kayo ma-foundation.
Take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by
For our foundation, we are going to use this Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation from Maybelline. I am on the shade 310 Sand Beige. So, ayan. Ito siya.
I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
So, we're just going to finish our eyes. We are going to use the same shades that we used earlier. So, the dark brown shade, we are going to use it near our waterline. So, dun sa baba, gagamitin naman natin yung bronze na shade 1. Gamitin lang natin siya.
But that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend.
So, yan na yung finished look natin. So, we are going to set our concealer with this Eyeshadow final powder.
If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive.
Set our whole face, we are going to use it again. The Clear Smooth Original Pressed Powder from Maybelline. So,
My hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
and then we are going to contour our face.
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm complying. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon.
We're going to use this blush from BH Cosmetics. Yan, this one, and we're going to brush it all up. Pili tayo ng shade. Ito siguro. Then ito. Pagsaluhin na natin yan.
We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
And then, mag-highlight naman tayo. Gagamitin ko itong Deborah Milano na eyeshadow para sa ating highlight. Kukunin natin yung champagne na shade with this white shade.
The sum of you, fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you.
Tapos, maglagay din tayo sa inner corner.
Just feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger.
So for the lipstick, we are going to use this red shade and put it all over our lips. Because para medyo... Kasi, makaputi kasi ng ngipin talaga yung, yung red lipstick. So, a Filipina has a beautiful smile. So, para ma-emphasize niya yung smile ng isang Filipina, you have to wear a red lipstick. So, yun yung natutunan ko before. So, we're just going to apply it.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong makeup look na ito. At sana nakatulong ako sa pamimili nyo ng look na gagamitin nyo on your Valentine's date. So, sa mga single like me, you can still do it. Pwede pa rin naman kayong gumala with this. Gala with your friends, lahat ng mga single dyan, tara gumala tayo, ganun. So, ganyan, magmalling kayo, pangalandakan nyo sa mga lalaki na mas maganda ako sa girlfriend nyo. Wow, power! So, sana nagustuhan nyo to ng bonggang-bongga. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, please hit the like button. If you like this video, please subscribe on my channel so you can be part of #RoseSquad. And I have a good news to everyone. I already purchased my own domain, my own website. So, nakalink down below yon, www.myplaintwist.com. So, I was so happy. I was crying yesterday when I already purchased my own. And sana maging updated pa ako lalo with my blog. I really wanted to purchase it before, but I don't have time to also set it up on my blog. So, ngayon may time na ako. Meron na po siya. Pwede nyo na po siyang i-visit. So, I'm going to give you the look of my new website. So, nandito siya. Ayan. Ayan yung aking website. So, as you can see, meron akong bagong logo. And, yan, bago yan, puro pink, ganyan. Kasi medyo babaeng-babae na tayo sa ating bagong website. So, yan yung aking bagong website, www.myplaintwist.com. So, I hope you could visit that. And, thank you so much for watching this video. I have also a affiliate program with travelbook.ph. If you are going here in the Philippines for vacation, travelbook.ph will give you the best accommodation. So also I have a Papi Apparel discount code, rosebanzonblogph, link down below yung link niya. So you can also purchase some of their products and use my discount code for 10%. So I hope I could already found someone. Naghihintay lang po tayo. Uy! Mga foreigner na nanonood sa akin. Hi! Wow. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Now, we'll see you in my next video. Bye! And also, follow me on my Instagram account at rosebanzon, Twitter rosebanzonb, Snapchat rosebanzon, Facebook rosebanzon. So, my own account is rosebanzon. Link down below po yun lahat. So, bye!
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here.